Hello, Ria and her squirrel friend Tiku have a puzzle for you. We have to place numbers from 5 to 9 in a cross like this. But here is a fun twist: the row and the column must have the same total, and we can use each number only once. Ready to try? The number in the sleeping line are referred as row. The number in the standing line are referred as column. So here are the numbers: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First, we need to decide which number should go in the middle box. Let's try them one by one and see what works. Let's start with number 5 in the center and put other numbers around it. First, let's put 6 and 8 on the left and right. Now, the row total becomes 6 plus 5 plus 8. That's 19. Now let's put 7 and 9 on the top and the bottom box. Now the column total becomes 7 plus 5 plus 9, which is 21. The totals don't match. The column total is more than the row total. So let's try swapping the numbers. Because 21 is greater, so we will swap a bigger number from this column. Let's swap. Now row total becomes 7 plus 5 plus 8, which is 20. And the column total becomes 6 plus 5 plus 9, which is 20 again. Yay, this works. So 5 can be in the middle, but we had to balance it very carefully. A smaller number on one side and bigger number on the other side, just like a seesaw. Now let's try number 7 in the middle box. As we saw in the previous example, we have to balance it with one small number and one big number so that the total is balanced. We will try number 6 and 8 in the row, and in the column we will try number 5 and 9. Now let's try the row and column total. The row total is 6 plus 7 plus 8, 21. The column total is 5 plus 7 plus 9, 21 again. Now it's your turn. You can try putting other numbers in the middle and see what arrangement works. Let me give you a hint. There is one more number that can go in the middle box. But you need to pick the other numbers very carefully to balance it right. Keep practicing and you will get there. Good luck. Bye bye.